Hello, in this video I want to show you how to create the schedule for a Xiaomi Smart Air Purifier. To do this, first you will need to select the air purifier inside Xiaomi Home app, then scroll down and look for a schedule. Click on it. Right here we can see the plus button in the bottom right corner of the screen, and that way we can pick a different mode for the schedule, like a start or an end. In this case we're gonna go with the start, then change the repeat rate between once, every day, or a custom. If you decide on custom, you can set the different days that you want the air purifier to work. Then we can set the timer with the start, so I want to start it at 6:00. Let's finish the first schedule. Now you can leave it like that, but we want to fully create the schedule, so we need to also set up the end time. And to do that, click on the plus button again, select end, then repeat. And then we want the same schedule, so I just picked every day. Then the end time should be on exactly 9. Let's save it. And we're back in the schedule. Here we can see that the purification should start on 6 every day and should finish on 9 every day. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.